Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do to try to get this going is, I believe the piston is seized up, so some recommendation is to take the plug out and then put like some lubricant down in there and then let it sit. Maybe even take a heat gun and heat up around the motor to get it unseized and see if that works. So got my little tool here. I'm gonna take the glow plug out and we're gonna go from there. I don't know if I have a heat gun. I don't think I do. I did do some research online and they said a hair dryer could work as well, so I may try that. So yeah, stay tuned.
Enemies.
And there's our glow plug. Okay, so I don't have a heat gun, so I'm gonna use the next best thing, which is my wife's old ass blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on high heat and try to get it to unseize.
A few moments later.
Okay, did that for about a couple minutes. I'm gonna let it cool and then try to pull on the cord and see if we can get it unseized. And yeah, we probably have to do this a couple times to get that piston inside there moving, but hopefully this works. We shall see. And as you can see, when you pull on the cord, it is now moving freely. We got the piston moving, so that is freaking awesome. So now we got that piston inside there moving. With a little help of WD-40. I don't, recommend anybody do that, but that's just what I did. So yeah, now I'm gonna put the glow plug back in there, just sitting right there, and then we're gonna see if we can get this bad boy started. Too tight. So we've been giving it a couple cranks. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. We're going to continue to try to crank her, pull on it, and see if she starts. So here we go. Now, I was cranking hard as I don't know what before. Y'all missed that part. I wasn't recording, but it took a couple cranks to get here. But she's running. So, there you have it, guys. Just like that, she is ready to go. She sounds good. So, stay tuned for the next video, because we're gonna get her back out there, before the summer is over. So, yes. Don't forget, if you're new around here, please like and subscribe to the channel. We want our No Pros RC community to grow. And man, oh man, I can't wait to get her out there and get her running. I actually want to go do it right now, but football is on. So it's like a lot of stuff going on right now. But I am super excited to get her out there and get her running again. And we definitely got to clean off that body. So, yeah. This next video is going to be epic, so make sure you're following us on Instagram so you know when the new YouTube video drops. And okay, so yeah, we went from being not running for 2 years to being seized to doing some research on how to get her started, and yeah, she's running again. So this was epic. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, who knew that a blow dryer will help you get your nitro RC car up and running again. Alright, so y'all stay tuned for the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.